Facing a backup not completed error while backing up WhatsApp chats on your iPhone, this could be due to iCloud settings, network issues, or storage limitations. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the backup not completed error on WhatsApp. Let's dive in. Before moving on, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check iCloud storage and enable iCloud Drive. First, open up the settings. After that, tap on the Apple ID profile. Next, tap iCloud. Tap Manage Storage. Make sure you have enough space in iCloud. Free up the space if you see your iCloud storage is full. After checking iCloud storage, now go back, tap Drive here. Make sure to turn on Sync this iPhone option. Solution 2. Sync WhatsApp. Open up the settings, then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. Then again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app, tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. And again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the WhatsApp app, make sure to toggle it on. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings, tap General. Hold down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the reset network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. That's how you fix the backup not completed error on WhatsApp for your iPhone. If you found this useful, make sure to like and share it with others. Also, hit the subscriber button for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.